Makusamakhulu ngiyanamukela kuMakhosonke TV, umkhulu Phila lo nikhuluma naye. Ngiyacela ukuthi manifuna ukuthola amanye amavidiyo ni-subscribe, ni-like, ni-share, ni-follow, especially wena osesemusha phakathi kwekhaya. Siyacela ukuthi u-subscribe sokwazi ukuletha amanye amavidiyo ngaphansi kwale khaya. Ngingamoshiki isikhathi nganilethongo. Namhlanje umlayezo wami engiwulethayo ngizokhuluma ngamakhandlela. So amakhandlela nokubaluleka kwawo. Amakhandlela ayinto thina bantu abamnyama bempisholo esiwasebenzisayo ngey'nto zethu zabantu abadala. So ngifuna ukuhlukanisa noma ukuchaza kabanzi ukuthi umuntu onjani osebenzisa amakhandlela, kanti uma ususitholile futhi usuwumuntu osebenzisa amakhandlela uwasebenzisa ngayiphi indlela noma uwasebenzisa kanjani. So kunomuntu onabantu abadala, okay, kunomuntu onabantu abadala, kunomuntu onesithunywa. Now lo muntu onabantu abadala akafani nalo muntu onesithunywa. Kuyenzeka ukumbathe kokubili, uthi unabantu abadala ngala, unesithunywa ngala, uyangizwa? So angeke kufaneke, kuyahluka. Uma ukuthi unomuntu kakhulu ostika kakhulu esithunyweni, yebo ungasebenzisa amakhandlela, kodwa bazokuvezela mhlawumbe amakhandlela athe ukuhluka noma amakhandlela azoba mhlophe kuphela, depending ukuthi isithunywa sakho siza nani. So uze kulo muntu unabantu abadala, lo nabantu abadala amakhandlela uzowasebenzisa through in through out. Noma kuthiwa ukuphi amakhandlela uyawasebenzisa, unabantu abadala loyo, uyangizwa? Lo onesithunywa kukhona la engawathinti khona amakhandlela, uthole ukuthi usebenza ngamanzi kuphela, uthole ukuthi usebenza ngemkhuleko kuphela. So umuntu onesithunywa akafani nomuntu onabantu abadala, ngaphandle uma umuntu okuphethe kokubili, uyangizwa? Njengomkhulu Phila ngikuphethe mina nabantu abadala ngala, nginesithunywa ngala. So ibona abaziyo ukuthi noma yimina owaziyo ukuthi isithunywa sami singakuphi, idlozi zami ngakuphi, ngoba phela beza ngokuhluka ukuthi bambathe kanjani. Now ngifuna ukuqhubeka lento yamakhandlela. Amakhandlela khumbula ukuthi abalulekile, yingakho phela makuhamba umuntu ekhaya noma eshonile kuye kuthathwa amakhandlela abekwe emsamo amhlophe kuphela. Amakhandlela abekwe emsamo kwenzelwe lowo muntu loyo ukuthi siyamkhanyisela awele kahle kula mathongo, kusetshenziswa amakhandlela amhlophe kuphela. Makushona umuntu ekhaya niyakwazi lokho, akekho umuntu ongakwazi. Nawo amakhandlela abalulekile ngoba ayasetshenziswa ngokuhamba komuntu, ayasetshenziswa ngemisebenzi eminingi ehlukene. Njengoba singabantu abamnyama abambisholo, sinemicimbi nemisebenzi esiyenzayo emakhaya ukukhanyisa amakhandlela. So amakhandlela ngiwathola eyinto ebaluleke kakhulu kuthina, ngiwathola eyinto esibuye siyizibe thina singayi-understand ukuthi amakhandlela asebenza kanjani. So namhlanje itopic yenu-ke le ngane zethongo la ngizonichazela khona ukuthi how does one can use the candles, how one can use the candles and understand ukuthi on its function yamakhandlela, how do they work and how do I find answers in my candles. So amakhandlela uma uwumuntu nabantu abadala uyawasebenzisa uma uhlolela abantu, uma unesithunywa uyakwazi ukuhlola ngawo ukuthi amakhandlela depending ukuthi umuntu umbethwe kanjani. But I don't want to go deep there. What I wanted is to just to lighten up this candle scenario ukuthi how just one person can get onto these candles meanings and their role on our spirituality. So that's what I want to bring. So I don't want to bring like so I don't want to go there, right? Let me just stick on this meaning and how these candles works onto each one of you. Now let me go there now. Amakhandlela ngane zethongo, remember when you look at the candle, you can look at its shape. The candle is just straight, right? Look at the color of the candle. We've got different types of colors of candles that we use as spiritual people. So but before me explaining the colors of the candles, let me just show you what you're gonna look at the candle. Like when you look at the candle, you can see we've got the flame. When you look at the candle physically, when you light your candle, you've got a flame, you've got water that runs on the flame, the wax that is there, guamans. So the candles, they are deeply spiritual like that they show us these elements of spirituality. We've got the fire element, the fire that you see on your candle, that's a fire element that is being used by abanguni, that is being used by abantu abadala, the ancestral side. We've got the wax, amanzi, the water in the sea, the water in the river, the water in the waterfall, the water in the Thames is there on the candle. What is it that you don't see? You've got the candle. When you light up the candles, you see one candle that you light, it dances like this. It goes there and there and there. So it changes its formation. So you see the candles moving sideways. Simply, what does it mean? It tells you what there is air element. Remember, we've got air element, we've got water element, and fire element on the same candle, right? Just lighting up your candle, you see that three element. Now, when you see this candle moving like this, it's an energy that is around the house. That's an energy telling you that we've got different types of energies in the house. Those might be the bad energies, the good energies, or I don't want to be one-minded person, or your ancestors or the energies that are in the house. They are having discussions, different types of discussion, depending why are you using the candles. Because remember, before you use the candle, you know exactly why must you use the candle. So abanye bakusebenzisela for ukuphahla, to seek guidance, to seek knowledge, to find answers with what is it that you have to do now on the situation that you are facing as a spiritual child. So now, when you light those candles, they are telling you all that. Look at the fire element, look at the air element, and lastly, you look at a water element, so that you can know what does it mean, right? When you look at the color of the candle, I will start with the white. When you look at white candle, it brings like it's purity. It brings purity, right? It brings purity. When you look at the yellow candle, the yellow candle simply means it brings light to the darkness. So whatever bad energies, or rather whatever darkness that is there in the house or on your ancestral side, it's gonna bring light on the darkness that is there on your ancestral side or Ostunya side, right? When you look at the red candle, the red means power. The red means protection. Again, the red means clarity. When you look at the black candle, the black candle, it's a very powerful candle actually. It's a very, don't look down upon it. It's a very powerful candle because black is for to remove any bad energies. The black one is to be used to remove any witchcraft. So it brings again the protection. It brings again the clarity. It's the one that conquers the witchcraft of the family. That's the black color. So black, as some other people I know, black means witchcraft. No, it's not like that. Black is power. That is why we have something called dark night, where umuntu evuka ebusuku njengathi abantu bobizwa. We don't sleep at night. We wake up and we speak to the divine. We speak to the unseen spirit, where we connect easily with them because we don't sleep. We just speak to the spirits that awaken us. So power in that black candle is there. It brings power. It brings connection. It connects. Then we have the purple candle. The purple simply means your intuition. The purple means your clarity. The purple means wisdom, so it brings all those energies. Then you see what type of this one. You see the blue candle. The blue candle simply means peace. Simply means and most of the time the blue one, it connects you kakhulu namakhehla. It connects you kakhulu with the feminine side. It connects you with omkhulu kakhulu. So it brings that peace. and it brings clarity again, it brings wisdom again, it brings um, knowledge, right? It brings knowledge, that blue one. And then we've got one type of this one, the green candle. So when you look at the green simply means it is here to bring the growth on the family. It is there, not just family, but your ancestral side. So I'm talking about your ancestral side. So the green one is to purify your ancestral side, the energies that are there, is to bring life. Actually, the green part of that green candle is to bring up the power of life. So it stands for the power of life, where it brings life onto the family, because there are so many things that are not in a good way on the family of your ancestors. So it brings that power of life, recycle of life, where you have to ukuphakamisa abanye aba-right, ukususa izinto ezingekho right, ulethe izinto ezinhle noma uvuse into enhle ekhaya eyisimo sokuhlambuluka. So it's very important to know all that about the candles. And with the candles, you seek the guidance. With the candles, you ask things. With the candles, you seek answers. With the candles, you fight the warfares, because there are warfares. You fight the battles zikamoya, right? So amakhandlela, they bring the answers. Amakhandlela siphahla ngawo as abantwana bedlozi, siyaphahla ngawo. So it's important to know all that. So amakhandlela nganzethongo abaluleke kakhulu, and when you look at them, when you are lighting your candles, make sure that you are alone in that room. You make sure that you've got water, because so that the candles can connect so easily if the water is physically there. So just put a bucket, a 5 liter of bucket, or just a small dish on your msamo, so that the candles will easily connect with the water element, because water will be there physically, so it's gonna connect with it same time. Then one can do what? Yeah, before you light your candles, you have to speak to your candles. When you are buying your candles, you have to, when you are coming with your candles in your home, you speak to your candle. What is it that what are your intention about using this candle? So you have to speak to it. Speak to the candles. They are speaking to you back. Just speak to them first. You've went to a shop and buy the candles. When you are reaching your home, just speak to the candle. It's a spirit. Just speak to a candle. What is the purpose? What are you going to do with the candles? Then you light your candles accordingly. And then we've got a sequence of lighting the candles. We've got and by the way, let me bring this into attention. We don't have something called yellow wakomalume, blue wakababa. We don't have that kind of we don't have that kind of sense of or scenario where city yellow lakomalume. The candles in their simplest form, or the candles in their factual form, factual reality, it does not have any side. It doesn't pick any side, whether the yellow is for maternal side, the blue is for paternal side. It doesn't work like that on the candles. Please just bear that in mind. It doesn't have that it doesn't choose I'm gonna work on that side or I'm gonna work on this side. It doesn't work like that. The candle is just a candle, and because its element, it's got its energies. So how can one do to separate or to show ukuthi le mpendulo lo iqhama on a maternal side or on a paternal side? That it's on me. I won't say it now, but there's a way where you put your candles that are going to bring answers from mama bako. We've got the candles that are going to bring the answers from abakababako, but I'll never reveal it for now. Whatever or whoever wants that information has to call me direct about that, because I don't put everything here. It's a social media, so I don't just put everything here. So I have to hide some other things. But the information in it in its quality, I'm gonna bring it here. Then some other small things that are left behind are on my side that you have to just ask me, Mkhulu, how does it work? Then I will tell you, because we've got also amathuba abantu abagangayo who are using what you call ukuhlakanipha kwabanye abantu ngendlela yabo noma ngokuganga. I don't mind if a person listens to me and afunde enze ngendlela afuna enze ngayo. There's not a problem. Into esuke inkinga ukuganga. Umuntu uma eseganga ngaleyo nto leyo asuke ezwile. That's what I don't want. So I'm really looking forward to people who can learn and do. That's good, but not the person who's gonna do everything on what on what has had the teaching that I was teaching about. So that's what I don't want. But kulungile ngane zethu angiyishiye kanjalo kwamanje mayelana namakhandlela. So if you've got any questions rather that are left behind, you can just pop in and just call me up. I'll be there for you guys and try and answer some other questions, because I don't have like anything for now that you can write on. I don't have comments for now, but once the time is right, I'll speak to you on comments. Thank you very much. Ngane zethu ngechannel esekhale ngicela nihloniphe, niqhube njani ihloniphe. So buye sikhulume, ngiyabonga. Thokozani makusamakhulu.